So my old 3D printed dust separator broke or cracked. I tightened the hose clamp a little too tight, so it's garbage. Then I got an old vacuum, and I planned on using that, but it wasn't strong enough. So then I took out the motor and made a bypass inside. And I took out the filters as well, but now it just comes in or out, and I have my shop vac hooked up. Nothing in there. Well, I guess there's a little something in there. So just that little bit stuck in the bottom right there. And let's see here. Put the top back on. Okay, so that's on. Hose runs to old vacuum. Old vacuum's like got a tornado thing going on, just like the dust separator. Hose comes up the back, up and around. Normally I have plugged into the top of my machine. I have a dust boot that goes on the bottom and can pick everything up. It keeps it separated and keeps my shop vac filter from clogging up. See how well it works. Okay, looks like all of that is definitely in there, but the real question is how much ended up in the shop vac. Just that little tiny amount. That's it. Filter is clean. Well, from clean as it was before I started, but pretty cool. And it was free because that was junk. Awesome.